Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the this one type assertions, right? Today we'll be discussing about object.freeze with read-only types. So while I say object.freeze, what it does mainly, object.freeze prevents modifications to an object. Again, I'm telling object.freeze. Basically, it freezes the object. Object.freeze prevents modifications to the object, and read-only ensures that the compile time immutability in the TypeScript, right? Again, I'm telling object.freeze prevents the modifications to an object, and read-only ensures compile time immutability in the TypeScript. So let's see initially the first example. Let's go with freezing an object, right? So I'll quickly come here. Let's make use of this one object. Let me make use of object.freeze here. Object.freeze here. Within this one, let me give some let me take some property. I'll just consider a name. I'll just give here Bharadwaj here. So here let me log this one object. So I consider obj, right, within the small this one. So object dot name here. So now I'll just get the output Bharadwaj, right? We are just logging the property here, property within this object, nothing but we are getting the output Bharadwaj. So if I initialize name to this one, anything, I'll just consider object dot name equals let me consider Gauri here within the this one within the string. So here if I try to run the code now, we have to get the output. I mean we have to get the error, right? So cannot assign to the read only property name. That's what we need to get here. Why? As I have said, object dot freeze prevents the modification to the object, or it freezes the object, right? We cannot assign. Once we assign, we cannot modify, right? So that's the reason we'll get an error, cannot assign to the read only property name. Let's try to run the code. Let's see what error we get. So here you can clearly see cannot assign to the name because it is a read only property. So if I try to comment this one and if I try to run, so we'll get the output Bharadwaj. So I'll quickly explain what I have done here basically. So the object.freeze here. So the property what I'm using here, the object.freeze method makes the object obj, this one. This makes the obj immutable, right? So attempting to modify the property, it results in a runtime error. We saw that one, right? Attempting to modify this one, the property, results in a runtime error. The output, the original value remains unchanged, right? So it will remain as Bharadwaj itself. So we saw that one. So I hope the concept of object.freeze is completely clear. So next, let's go with another example, nothing but using read-only type. I'll quickly erase this one. Let me quickly come here. Let me make use of user. Here, I'll just give read-only. So what I'll do within the angle braces or the angle brackets, I'll just consider here ID, which is of the type number. Let's set this one to the type number. Name, let me consider here, which will be of the type string. Let me close this angle bracket basically. And within the flower bracket, what I'll give, let's assign ID and name to something, right? ID, I'll just set this one to 1, some random number. And name, let me set this one to Bharadwaj. So this is fine. So what I'll do here, let's set the name property to something here. I'll just set this one to Bharadwaj 2 here. So then let me quickly log here name. So let's see first. Let me comment out this one, user.name equals Bharadwaj to what I have assigned. Let's quickly run this one first. We are getting the output this one, right? Bharadwaj. If I consider here ID, I have to get the output 1. Let me do it. I'll just consider here ID basically very quickly. So I'm getting the output 1, which is absolutely correct. So here, if I uncomment this one, so we have to get the error, right? So we have to get the error same. It is very simple. I mean, it is very similar to the previous example that we considered. So it will give us cannot assign to name because it is a read-only property. We have made use of the read-only here, right? So we have to get the error cannot assign to name because it is a read-only property. Let's try to run the code here. So you can clearly see here cannot assign to name because it is a read-only property. So the output that we are getting here is absolutely correct, and I hope the concept is completely clear. So I'll quickly explain what I have done here. Read-only, whatever I have given here, the read-only utility type, basically it ensures compile time immutability. Again, I'm telling read-only utility type here, whatever I have used here, this ensures the compile time immutability. So the original value remains unchanged, nothing but here it remains 1, right? So I am just logging user.id and we cannot assign the name to the Bharadwaj 2 here, right? So I hope this is completely clear. The concept of using read-only type and the concept of freezing an object, nothing but the concept of object.freeze is completely clear with read-only types, right? So next we'll be discussing on the symbol type and usage. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.